Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about sentiment analysis of Indian movie review with various feature selection techniques. Then comes abstract of our process. The abstract is saying about sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis and opinion mining is an emerging area of research for analyzing web data and capturing the sentiment of the users. Bayesian classifier has been used in this study for testing feature selection mechanics. This classifier is trained on the words or features of the corpus extracted using 5 feature selection algorithms, that is choice square, info gain ratio, 1R and relief attribute. This classifier and feature selection approaches were evaluated by two different metrics. One is F value and another one is F false positive value. Sentiment analysis is also known as opinion. This is a form of data mining technique where humors of the people are tracked and also analyzed. A great research has been done in the area of tracking people's opinion about a product, a service or an organization, or maybe an individual or an event, with various tools and also with some of the techniques. Then comes flow diagram of our process. This shows the overall process of our system. First we are loading dataset. In loading dataset we are uploading the Indian movie review dataset for the sentimental analysis. The dataset will contain the review details of the movies given by the different users for the different movies. Using this dataset we are analyzing and predicting the sentiment analysis of the different. Then the next step was pre-processing. Pre-processing is done for the movie review corpus. For pre-processing, we are using two feature extraction techniques, namely information gain and also relief F. By using these techniques, noisy data with special characters are removed and also with the redundancy data are avoided. That is, one user can review the one movie. So the redundancy data were avoided using pre-processing. Then next comes the filtering process. The filtering process is the main process in our system. Here we are filtering the positive polarities and also the negative polarities. By filtering these polarities, we can identify the sentiment of different users for the different movies. So after the filtering process was completed by obtaining positive polarity and negative polarity, we are calculating F measure and false positive value. Using these values, we are evaluating the sentiment of users for movies finally. These values are obtained and the final results are shown graphically for each movie. Then comes the running procedure of our process. So this is the homepage of our process, sentiment analysis of Indian movie reviews with various facial selection techniques. So first we are going to upload the new dataset. So click here. These are all the data sets for the different movies given by the different users. So the next step was pre-processing. In pre-processing, here we are applying two techniques, namely information gain and relief. So first I am applying information gain for the loaded dataset. So these are all the loaded dataset. So I am applying information gain for this loaded dataset. So after applying information gain, we obtain these results. So the next process is also under pre-processing. Here we are applying relief F. Relief F is one of the feature selection technique. So this is the data set which we obtain from applying information gain. So now we are going to apply relief for each and every movie ID. So for this movie ID, I am applying relief. So this shows the overall data, and here it will show after removing the redundancy. Next movie, another movie. We have to apply relief for each and every movie. So it will show us the particular result in these two grids. So based on the selection, it will show the result. So then comes the filtering process. This is the main process in our system. Here it shows the all movie ID which we apply relief F. So by clicking this ID, we can view the positive reviews for the movie and also the negative reviews for the movie. After obtaining for all movies both the reviews, the result will be shown as graph. So for this movie ID, I am viewing positive review and also the negative review. Here there is no negative review for this movie. So the next movie, positive review and also the negative review. So for this movie also there is no negative review. So here shows the how many positive reviews and also the how many negative reviews. So now we have seen all the reviews for the all movies. So then we are going to see that in graph. So the graph shows the 6 movies reviews. So for 2 movies there is no negative review, so there is only positive review. For other movies there is a positive and also the negative. This is the each movie ID. This represents the particular movie and this shows the positive rating and also the negative rating. So the final output was shown as graph. So finally we analyze the sentiment of different users for the different movie reviews with various feature selection techniques. Thank you.